Why is slow practice so important? I'll give you a brief answer. Mastering the art of slow practice will transform your playing and elevate your musicality to new highs. Yeah, okay, we all know this, but we're not really paying attention to that when it comes to slow practice. Hi my friends, this is Ilya, and today I'm really excited to share with you my thoughts why slow practice is crucial for all cellists of all levels. Let's start with number 1, precision and technique. Slow practice allows cellists to focus on precision and refine their technique. By playing slowly, you can pay attention to every single detail of your hand position, bowing technique, and finger placement. And this approach helps to build muscle memory and ensures that each note is played with accuracy and clarity. Because when you practice slowly, you can really feel the nuances of each movement and make adjustments as needed. It's like laying a solid foundation to your playing. One of the biggest challenges for cellists is to achieve the perfect intonation. Slow practice allows you to focus on each note's pitch and make subtle adjustments to ensure that your intonation is spot on. By training your ear and fingers to work together slowly, you'll develop a clear sense of pitch and achieve greater control over intonation in your playing. Okay, I know I screwed up, but anyway, intonation is the pillar of cello playing, because if you don't have a good intonation, the sound will not really help. And that's it, it's off. Practicing slowly will help to train your ear to recognize, the right pitch, and also for the muscle memory in order to play consistently. If you haven't watched my other videos, I always say your ear is your best weapon. Use it, not for 100%, but for 200%. Before we proceed to the next point, if you are finding value in this video until now, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Now, a little bit controversial. While slow practice may seem a little bit strange to build speed, it's actually the most effective way to do so. By starting slow and gradually increasing the tempo, you can be sure that you will maintain control and accuracy as you will play faster. Don't they say, if you can play it slow, you can play it fast. So this approach will prevent sloppiness and will allow you to master difficult passages with confidence. Let's put it like this. Think of slow practice like putting tracks on a railroad. And each repetition builds a stronger foundation, allowing you to smoothly pick up speed without derailing. The next point is my favorite one because I see it with almost everybody. Practicing too quickly can lead to bad habits. And bad habits, they include a sloppy technique or bad intonation and dirt between the notes. Because slow practice will force you to pay attention to every detail, to every single note, and it will give you the time to process things. And also it will allow your ear to listen to the note, and if you play out of tune, you can easily adjust it. So by practicing slowly and mindfully, you'll set yourself up for success and you will avoid frustration. Slow practice is like a microscope for your playing. It will help you spot and eliminate any weaknesses, doesn't matter left hand, right hand, so you can become the best musician you can be. So long story short, slow practice is the essential element for every cellist, every musician's practice routine. It helps to develop precision, control, musicality, and leading to more confidence to your playing. So the next time you will pick up this guy, remember to practice slow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more cello tutorials like these ones over here that are popping up. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep the cello fresh and alive.